What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is currently 12:45 p.m. here on the East Coast in the USA. I hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great night, wherever you may be in the world. I'm going to do some TA here on the price of Bitcoin, just some basic TA. Just looking at this resistance point, which is, of course, what we're fighting right now. And overall, we're kind of just sitting on this resistance point here. So overall, not much has changed in the way that I'm looking at the chart. Not much has changed. You know, we would have to break above this and build on here for there to be any major change happening. The price is sort of just playing below this resistance point, which is not much, not much to think about really. And the volume is not that great right now. We're not seeing all that much volume come in right now. Of course, it is the weekend for Bitcoin, which sometimes affects. Sometimes there's a lot less activity on the weekends for Bitcoin. But, overall, guys, not too much has changed. Of course, we're fighting that $3,600 level. Yeah, basically 3630 essentially. We kind of pushed through these points here, but we're fighting this, double bottom area, the area that we saw the most support come in at the double bottom. And we're kind of just stuck right here. Not much going on, really, not yet. I mean, guys, there's a whole range of possibilities, obviously. The obvious possibility is that we pop out of here and we have like a major short squeeze of some kind, and we start to play in this range. I don't think this is the bottom for Bitcoin. I mean, it could be. Sure, it could be. I just really doubt that. I have strong doubts that this is the bottom for Bitcoin. Even if we do see some sort of reversal pattern here, and the price comes up temporarily, I don't think it's going to last. Again, like I explained in my video yesterday on my channel, the main YouTube channel, the Bitcoin is incredibly momentum based, guys. When it's so momentum based, when the momentum is sitting in a direction, it's usually just going in that direction, and it's just hard for me to believe that. Even if we do get some sort of major short squeeze anytime soon, it's hard for me to believe that the market sentiment is going to change and we're just good. I highly doubt this is going to happen. I mean, could we see something like this, short-term reversal? Yes. This is a possibility right now, where we see sort of a left, right, and a head type. Some sort of reversal pattern is possible, but again, we can't really be banking on anything like that until we actually get out of this resistance point and we break above this sort of previous support. Right now, we're still sitting in a very bearish area, guys. Just sitting at like under our most significant support right now, which is that $3,600 mark, $3,600, right? So at this point, there's not much for me to do. Again, I mean, there's also the possibility that we just continuously get rejected here, and we break down again, right? We could play into this area short term, and I think ultimately we will fall. But right now, guys, we just got to wait to see how this plays out. Again, I don't really like to make decisions here. I don't like making decisions in a low volume area. Yes, there's decent accumulation happening. There's a little bit of short squeezes, some short squeezes going on right now. But overall, nothing's really changed, guys. We're still sitting in this bearish area, right? Whenever, it's important when you see these types of moves to really like step back and be like, okay, what are we really looking like right now? And this is what we're really looking like. We're sitting below previous support and below this resistance. And this is kind of a convergence area for both of those. So I think we'll probably end up getting rejected. If we do pop out of here, we'll get a nice short squeeze and have some short-term upside. I don't think it's going to last very long. Guys, again, I don't think the market really cares too much about buying Bitcoin at 3,200. It was a great play for the whales to knock some shorts out of their positions, but other than that, people are just getting a little excited here, and I would assume that people who are buying in here, even if we break out temporarily, are going to be in the red, right? So not much for me to do right now. Just got to wait to see how this plays out. And if anything does happen, I will be going live. I'm actually going to go buy a Christmas tree. So I'm going to be gone for the next couple hours. So hopefully Bitcoin decides to continue to trade sideways here while I'm buying my Christmas tree. But again, if anything crazy happens, I will be going live. But I'll talk to you guys soon.